Yamwachi biem samwa kwa Badwam TV Badwam so yeda Apostle Dr. Nita Ekote Gwase ni nkranhye sama odi abreye de edu so no ye Badwam kase ansam no ne obetie wo mu bi eni transport operators ne one more power task force sabeya one more emfa ni de ni buo ennante yakwantempo so me kira hyenkafo no yebetimi ayi one more ase sansemi ne nsembi anopai muadaroma yede sommo okọ Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com semine semafufuro bi ewo ho bidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mienti seden semni chemu ankasa etie private transport operators one crane say one more the security task force joint security task force ba na tumi aboa man discipline na na se ni amohu samaye koso ewe yakwantempo eso no abafom.
Very good situation ya be hu say we are GPRT ni we are cooperative ni we are proto ni eno na de kan de etoso menu ya kan say ya wo unions no be omo ehyan no doso in such a way say ene group A be ya juma na ocha group B aye juma se yen kan cho mo se program aba no omo ma ye hyen na be na yen for mo hye akra madina akra amasama akra kaswa baby a problems no wo no na yen chiche sa vehicles no en hye hose na ebe a sa short asem no enu so ebe ba fom so ye hia task force a ebe ko run ahwe se niama ya aka no eye adwuma na
yesan so ne general secretary ema GRTCC eye Imano ohini yebo a atwetwe nkomo
in fact the sama na wabontin say ahead na ede car na CC embeze car na be adwuma atwe nkrofo aso no the man dey say nya no kresa ye tede say imfidi ni dodo na ayedada ena afin so bronya no mu no say bi ye adwuma bro so ndi bi ne ma home bi ne ma home ena afin nipa na bebre nso start adwuma foforo ndi definitely ube hu sa de no nema edi enya ba kono so ne say ye public ye city center no so eye achoki
amanebo emi amede bra efi Ministry of Transport efa nhyiemu a osoafo a ono na hwe transport wonsem Joseph Bukari Asia driver unions edebra no medin ede Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News.
Yanto so yeguso ye wa transport nsem ni mu no osoafo a wo hwe so ye Joseph Bukari na enei wode ato management and board one more metro mass say one yen hwehwemu fa asan 313 bia yenye ho adwuma na yaton no 2500 ewo 2020 no emo.
We are now telling our transport union like the STC and Metro Mass at all years, whatever that you are doing, you must ensure that you renew your fleet. It will no more be that you will leave them to get to some stage, you auction them, and that is it. We are looking at retooling them. When we do that, it is now going to be a duty that at all times they will continuously replace whatever they are using on a yearly basis, at least to start. Whether I am concerned or not is one of the issues that when we came in, we said things happen and those agencies could not even stand to go to the market to do any business. What we did was to sanitize the system. Most of them had difficulties in paying salaries. Most of them, their revenue was not that encouraging, so nobody wanted to do business with them. What we sought to do was to ensure that we sanitize their books, we make their revenue collection on daily basis improve, and that is what we have done over the years. They now have a good turnover, they make good revenue, and everybody now wants to. Again, there's another concern that the drivers say that the traders have taken over their stations and the roadsides. So the turnaround time of vehicles is now limited. If a vehicle would have made 4 trips a day, they are forced to do 2 trips. And they feel that the local government, through all the MMDCs, will help to sanitize the streets and get all these traders who are not supposed to be at all those points out, so that the road will be free and there will be that kind of free movements of vehicle and persons and their goods.
Also for Yawasha Interior, so Muntaka Mubarak, and what they to Ghana Immigration Service Governing Council no anymore say. adwumayefo wo migration wono mo enemu wono mo asetena mu how bi a wo mo efemu no nhwe na wasiesie enei governing council no aba won chen ensra ena wode niema bi a wo mpese wo mo ye de boy immigration service atudwa ena sankomo yi epiem.
Chair and your members, you have this country at heart, and I know you will support the vision of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to do the research that may cause some pain to some of us. When I say some of us, those who belong to the party, thinking that because the previous party had done ABCD, this is their time to also have our pound of flesh. It may cause some pain, but I believe if we succeed in doing the research and doing the research very well.
Chairman Aono Eneda Council Nano Reverend Stephen Wingham editor nenim enhihye awodo a womo de gu akwamni project a womo hwe enim se womo ene private companies ebeka no abom e de aboa esanse wo kira aban ni nkuto entimi enye.
The council is taking this bold initiative to launch a project aimed at mobilizing resources through public and private sector support to address the pressing challenges confronting the service. We are proposing the name Project SEFWI, the acronym of Secure Our Borders, the SE Secure O Our BOR border.
Yegusoya wa Interior Minister Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak n'ensama woken na wode ato Ghana Police Service ani mo say wonye nhwehwemo emfa video bia na Energy Ministry adwumayefo te aban basimu na nipakuo bi ekohwe wo mo no wonye nhwehwemo emfa ho.
Well, I've seen a video like that last week, and I've asked the police to investigate that. I mean, because we realized that some of them were in plain clothes. And today, unfortunately for us, one of the nomenclature that is heavily abused is national security. All I need to just get some jacket and then put it in, I just call it national security. And then no ID, nothing shows. So the police is investigating that because, I mean, obviously we frown on that. We condemn that. If there's the need to do things, we need to do it in a decent. I saw even sometimes the physique. I mean, if somebody commits a crime, you don't go beating the person as if, because our laws are very clear. Until proven guilty, you are innocent. So even if you've seen the person making the shooting there, unless your life is in danger where the law allows you minimum force. But when you just go and you are just pouncing on people, not because they are fighting, we can't countenance of that. And I've asked the police, particularly the CID, the PID, to investigate that and get us a report.
Adom TV Badwam Kasiana Oguso Eshani de Moko Yensam for mu amanyo nsemu Kwabri East Bomra Shebedwani ye akosie champon na kanema mpani abede akire Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene wo kan ho asemi de ne ho adanse pache se oyobia wodwen konkan nani eda ho ntino se de tie bia no adehye wo MPP amanyuko no ni mugidi ti presidential primaries na ebeba so no de kiane kenkunimdi ebe ne dia.
Amrashebedwani ogina ho de mom for Kwabri East onyina kwasie champon na wode atodwa se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na obi a woni swade hunu ya beboa mo mai akonanim ya wode atodwa se otumi ba bedi amanyuko ne mebeboa pa
for masembe tiawa abana ye to no de bia migina manimu a meka ensem be miensa meka enkabo mu asem meka MPP ho asem na meka qualities a say ye project wo ye leaders mu asem. And I say that because say yenya ya sopa ye ho a say ye kwa ye nimu a afe na na ye correct yana say yenya ya say ye ho a na ye kwa ye nimu a afe na na okoye nsiesi ana enti wanhwe yi a asem a wo kan wo campaign bre mu no obi befa na odi abo wachi daache.
Yento aso na enipa bi ye campaign sebe ya Kotoka International Airport no yebese sedini no de akma kane yamampani Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na womasa Kenya wo hu biemu ebomu dendende de wodi animu lead convener ma Kotoka International Airport si yebese sedini no Steven Shira Odatefio ensem no eni
Ensentwofo nhyiemu ase no onipa wono ene di wonanim Steven Nshia Odatefio ede atudwa se wohwe Kotoka womode ne to ye Kotoka International Airport a enye ne kwan so kra no odi nkyeremu sei ene ma Adom News ensentwofo
Ghana no Dr. Kwame Nkrumah a BBC no atu ne din se ono na oye African of the millennium no ono na we can't even honor him ena yakwa kofa nipa kro a otu no and has rather made him the front name of our republic. And we are just saying that I don't mind say the Dinokra Beneme either back to Accra International Airport. And it's not even a cause for me to have the name changed to Kwame Nkrumah International Airport. Me, I know I am a preference, but I'm just saying that our conscience as a nation cannot rest if the scripture that we believe in, reminding us to honor our father and our mother, and at the front door of our republic, no, we are dishonoring Dr. Nkrumah by putting at the front door of it the name of the Nipakona Otuno. And that is the argument, and that is what we are moving. Say, yen sesa, na yen pe edin fufro, na yen fanto your front gates no.
Head teacher ya wo besiase MA Basic Primary School the addition to abino anim say won ehye 6-seater water closet bi ase e wo school ni mo waja to ho osempanifo so mewie ma won se be ya hunidie e be koso school ni
na keji fo na ngasa yan hye da ni omo dan ti ba na na me yan hye se no wo si esibi e ma omo eno nti ana ene obi adawroma e ti ni esibi ya ma omo ti afi na 1963 at school yi afena ke ejina nyomo block na ban no so si 8-seater WC toilet we kira odu brebe no wajan omo ya say 2014 2026 mu na ewe da so et said de san meni nyina ababa boa nkepe
wechi ena yewura kwadwo ohime esumani ya wono etimi boaye ma wonum esi KG blog ono so waje nchichie ewo ICT nimdie mu South Africa bruchino ani oman Ghana nyuma bibrawaye esu ni Adom kase ebo nkomo ekirese braso sie de ICT nimdie etiti mofra no
so say every field of studies you need computers, so we are lawyer, so we are doctor, so we are teacher. Profession be you need IT because that's where the world is going. You create a paperless society. Indeed, all what we will use is ICT to propel anything we do.
Already, when you fear do no, ya ni William Jemfi do no anim no kwasi manson ene ya posi fo akere no nyina ne se chese kaketu bi watutu maame nani kura firi ho SEFWI Abrokofe ye no ewo dwaboso mansimo awo Western North Mantemu
aposifo a wono SEFWI Abrokofe achi William Jemfi ya dodo na afa no kwasi manson wanya firi schedule num ya wo kire se ode apaso awo ababa bia weprade mu odin pa na asemi esiye wabra abusuako mienu enya amentem ho ase na akuaje wa ya ono so nya mfrinhye aduonum ene owura yi enya akasakasa enu nti ofa apaso ede wo na ni mienu nyina sabre babia woda e wodwaboso government hospital no ayedin yi pa aposifo ebo modern ekompotem ho no mu a otumi echi abrantie ya wode na ba aposifo atena ya wono hunu se wono so epra e wona nan bankum a emoja etu no pa na ne ba ni kiremu a kromhofo bi ena wono so kwato hye ne so wabra wode apaso wo ababa we ni a wono ebro no ya samre wura no so eja yarehwe e wodwaboso aban yaresabia ho a woda ho e waposifo nsam a wo ya asem no mu hwehwemu ya enche kra wode ne bekwa kwagina koto na afi atotonano
Yenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asie